Welcome. We're trying to find a new project. Turns out ain't so easy.
We are here at the auction yard, so we will be looking at about 3 cars today. See if we can find something that's good. So let's go in.
Our first car was a Hyundai i20, but it turned out to be a bit of a smoker.
Okay, here we have a Hyundai 2013 model. Starts. Some preventative maintenance needed. Smokes a bit. Yeah, and it's a 1.4 diesel. Small turbo diesel. Body looks in very good condition.
Does look like there's some water in.
See, CRDI. We'll start it now to hear how it sounds. Just very dirty. No trimmings missing on the doors. No airbags or something popped, so no damage. Seat and backboard just...
The backboard is lying here. No spare wheel.
Okay, no spare wheel.
Still the previous guy's takeaways there at the back. There's a battery. I don't know if it will die on us. Seems dead.
Yep. It's already dead.
So we have 87,000 kilometers on. This is engine light. Let's see what happens if we start.
Heavy smoker. Okay, so we've decided this one is a no-go. Looking at the engine and the price they are asking, it's a potential too great of a risk. Possible electrical issues. The engine will have to be opened, and so it sounds like it has a bearing knock also. No signs of actual car damage, like accident damage. Possibly there. It has been polished all over. So raises a bit of concern, but yeah, nice car but no go.
Our second car was our Val Julian, but it did not start.
Quite a lot of cars standing here. We are on the way to look at that Julian. Nice looking car, fairly low mileage, but non-starter, so possible engine failure or electronic, something small or major. That is to be guessed. There you go. Looks fairly neat. Looks very good.
But yeah, this is not too bad. You can see there's body filler.
It was dented, so they were in the process of repairing it. You could see someone tried fixing it.
There's a dent here at the back as well.
The cover for the brake light.
There's a bit of a gash. Maybe this was a dent that they pulled out. Not proper repair. Here we have the inside. Inside is good. Still a brand new car. The back seats are really good.
Let's see if the Val can start.
Here we have the car started. Steering wheel is unlocked. It does say something about the immobilizer. Check key in the car. No problem with seat belts. No lights.
The last one for today, the Ford EcoSport, but this engine was very bad.
This is a 2018 Ford EcoSport 1 liter EcoBoost.
So needs some engine work. Body doesn't look too bad. Yes, so the other one mechanically sound.
Mechanically sound, bodywork.
Bodywork needs a bit of attention. Just the back bumper and the dent.
About 3 dents.
And then
a couple of holes on the other left hand side corner.
Yes, that's where they probably fixed the previous damage.
Yeah.
Other thing that's the only concern that will take a bit of time and will be agents only is the key coding, getting the new key and programmed in it, which is quite costly.
So, auction time. Will we win? Well, we tried, but we were outbid. However, we managed to find a Mercedes-Benz C200 the very next day. Right, let's have a look. Bonnet, curtain airbag is gone. The doors look good. Inside's good. No damage at the bottom. Front door, all good. Left hand side door, all seems good. And the rear left door, also good. Interior looks good. The back, oh, this thing is open. Maybe we can close this.
Looks like somebody has tampered with this.
Other than that, good.
It's got a spare wheel. It's like a full-size rim. Triangle is missing.
So all looks good. What about the engine? Let's have a look.
Engine sounds good.
So, the interior and those nasty airbags. Let's see what went off. So we had a right rear safety belt, a right curtain airbag, and the front right seat airbag, as well as a rear left seat belt that was locked out. But we can fix those, I'm sure. The rear seats, all good. Auction time again. Well, this time we were very lucky and we won.
A Mercedes C200, that is our purchase price. That is the vehicle we bought.
So we'll quickly put on another wheel, and that's pretty much it. And then drive it out. So we'll take it from there.
Alright guys, we're standing waiting patiently as they move the vehicle. At this point we were nervous, watching the car bounce a bit. Just scared that the car might get damaged or fall off. You know, we would like the first project car to be moved safely and securely to avoid unnecessary damages. Alright guys, finally the long wait is over and the car was lowered safely. At this point we had to cut the audio completely as the forklift made too much background noise. Then we had to wait a little longer for the post-auction inspection to be completed. This is a requirement before they can release the vehicle. It entails a walk around and taking photos of both the interior and exterior. We were not allowed to touch the vehicle until the inspection was completed. We realized that the rear tire was also damaged. Okay, both the wheels on the right hand side is flat, so we are just moving it slowly forward to park it outside. Then we're going to take off the two wheels, take them in to replace them. So yeah, there it goes.
Right, so we have the wheel off. I just want to quickly check the arms. Oh, not bent. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, wheel back on. Well, unfortunately I have to get another tire. For now I think we'll just get a temporary tire. Final touches. The first part going on.
No visible damage. All seems fine on the suspension.
Nothing.
Yeah, no visible damage.
Okay. Happy days.
To the tire shop for the fitment of the two wheels. Unfortunately, our battery died and we can't show you any footage. However, we did manage to get the car home safely. Later that evening, I was so excited. I wanted to see what was all that noise from the bottom. So, excuse the clip, it's quite dark. But as I was inspecting underneath the vehicle, I saw that there was a loose heat shield that was flapping around. So I did the inevitable, what any other good car mechanic would do, and cable tie it.